For homeowners in Pell City, where Southern charm meets modern living, finding the right windows can make a big difference in comfort, energy efficiency, and style. One window design that continues to stand out among homeowners is the double-hung window, a timeless favorite that blends versatility, performance, and beauty. Whether you're upgrading an older home or finishing a new build, installing double-hung windows offers benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. Here's why they're one of the most popular and practical window choices for Pell City residences. Superior ventilation and airflow. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is their dual operable sashes, meaning both the top and bottom sections can open. This design allows you to control airflow and create balanced ventilation throughout your home. On cooler spring or fall days, you can open the top sash to let warm air escape while raising the bottom sash to let fresh air in. This natural ventilation helps reduce indoor humidity and keeps your home feeling fresh without relying solely on air conditioning, a major plus during Pell City's mild seasons. For families who enjoy fresh air while maintaining comfort and control, double-hung windows are a clear winner. Energy efficiency. That saves money. Energy efficiency is a top concern for homeowners, especially with Alabama's hot summers and cool winters. Modern double-hung windows are built with advanced insulation features to minimize heat transfer and prevent drafts. When professionally installed, these windows form a tight seal that keeps cool air inside during summer and traps warmth in winter. Many models include low emissivity coatings, argon gas fills, and multiple glass panes, all of which help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy bills. Over time, these savings add up, making double-hung windows an investment that pays for itself in comfort and lower utility costs. Easy cleaning and low maintenance. Gone are the days of struggling to clean exterior window glass from the outside. Double-hung windows are designed with tilt-in sashes, allowing you to easily clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. For busy Pell City homeowners, this feature is not just convenient, it's a time saver. It's especially useful for multi-story homes where exterior access can be challenging or unsafe. Modern frame materials such as vinyl and fiberglass also resist warping, fading, and peeling, meaning less maintenance and more long-term durability. Classic style that complements any home. Double-hung windows have a timeless design that fits beautifully with both traditional and contemporary architecture. In a community like Pell City, where you'll find everything from charming Southern-style homes to modern suburban builds, this versatility is a major advantage. You can choose from a wide range of frame colors, grid patterns, and finishes to match your home's personality. The clean lines and balanced proportions of double-hung windows also enhance curb appeal, making your home look polished and inviting from the outside while bright and open from within. Improved safety and security. Homeowners value windows that are not only beautiful but also secure. Double-hung windows come with advanced locking systems that provide peace of mind without compromising ease of use. You can open the top sash while keeping the bottom closed, perfect for families with young children or pets who want ventilation without safety concerns. Additionally, newer models feature reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass options, offering extra protection against weather and potential intrusions. Added home value and longevity. Investing in double-hung windows isn't just about improving daily comfort, it's also a smart way to increase your home's resale value. Homebuyers appreciate energy-efficient, easy-to-maintain windows that enhance both aesthetics and performance. Because double-hung windows are durable and long-lasting, they provide decades of reliable use, making them a wise investment for any Pell City homeowner looking to boost their property's appeal. A smart upgrade for Pell City homeowners. From their practical ventilation features to their classic design and energy efficiency, double-hung windows are perfectly suited for Pell City's homes and climate. They bring together style, function, and long-term savings, all while keeping your home more comfortable and secure. To get the best results, work with a trusted Pell City window replacement specialist who can help you choose the right materials, features, and finishes for your home. With professional installation, Your new double-hung windows will perform beautifully for years to come, letting you enjoy more light, comfort, and peace of mind every day.